Picture this: a young boy named Raj who first laid eyes on a girl during the early days of school, a unique beauty hidden in her eyes. He would always watch her in secret, yet he never expressed his feelings due to his lack of words. Then came the day of the annual school celebration. Raj decided to go on stage to sing with his friends. But when his turn arrived, he couldn't sing standing up. He was only looking at that girl. As the time to sing passed, he went to the girl, and with a rose in hand, smiling, he said, "You are my turn. Can you sing a song with me?" The girl was surprised, but she said yes. They both sang a heart-touching song at that moment, and from that day, their love story began.